Hi, we are launching a new application this week. More details coming soon on launch.
Animated videos are in trend now and everyone is looking to make animated videos for their brands, for marketing their products or for a new product announcement. So today I am going to share best free online animated video maker with which you can create professional animated videos for your marketing campaigns in minutes, with which you can make explainer videos, product presentation videos, promo videos and more. Even if you don't have prior knowledge of video making, just follow this step-by-step animated video maker tutorial and you can also make videos like this in minutes. Hello folks, welcome to WM Originals. Myself Akhil back with another video, and today we will talk about Doratoon, which is all-in-one creative online animated video maker. With this you can create stunning animated videos in minutes. It supports more than thousands of customizable templates with royalty-free music. This is easy to use creative platform for creating eye-catching videos with PowerPoint. No matter which industry you are in, you can use Doratoon to make videos for yourself. It has templates for all. So even if you are a marketing executive, brand manager or a YouTube content creator, you can make videos for yourself in minutes. It comes with advanced set of features such as animated characters, AI dubbing, smart subtitling and PPT video conversion. All these smart features make Doratoon the best free online animated video maker. With Doratoon, you can also create videos like this: knowledge popularization, mini courses, corporate publicity, marketing and promotion, corporate culture. And all this can be done for free. It does not cost a penny to make videos using Doratoon. So let's give it a try and make a video for ourselves. Click on create for free and from here you can log in if you have already an account, but if you are using Doratoon for first time, you should create an account, and for that click on sign up, and from here you can create your account or log in using Google or Facebook. Let's log in using Google account, and for that click on Google. And now from here select your account to log into Doratoon. Once you log in successfully, you will be moved to this page, and from here we can start making our animated videos. Here we have so many templates for different categories such as business, knowledge, marketing, educational, HR, product, creative and personal. We can use any of these to create our video. Just choose any of these and then you can use that to make video. Just hover over any of them to have a quick preview, or you can also show your own creativity or select a template later by getting started with blank canvas. Let's click on create a new video. Now here we have Doratoon animated video maker editor. From here we will make animated video. Here at left side we have different elements which we can use in our video. At left we have editors option from where we can make changes to an element. At top we have more options and at bottom we have our video timeline. Here at center we have our canvas. Now let's select a template to get started with. Click on template and from here we can choose any of the templates we want to. Just click on one to see all the scenes in the template. We can also preview any scene just by hovering over that. Let's insert first and last scene only. So select them and click on insert the selected scene page. So yes, we can insert selected scenes from one template and then insert scene from another template if you want to. Now here we have our video template ready to be used. We can also give a custom name to our video from here. Let's name this as new application launch. Now here we have background that we can use in our video. Here we have different categories for backgrounds such as illustration style scenes. Here we have so many choices. You can choose any of them and background will be changed to that. We have many more categories of backgrounds such as real shot images, marketing and promotion videos, city and nature videos, festive and illustration backgrounds. You can choose any type of background you want to in your video. As we are making a marketing and promotional video, let's choose one of these. Here we have many choices, just choose any of them you want to. I like this one, so let's add this to our video. Now here we have text which we can add to our video. Here also we have different categories such as word art, text combination, corporate marketing, explosion effect, birthday blessings, wedding blessings, parent-child blessings. So you can use any of these in your video if you want to. Now here is the main part of animated videos. Here we have characters which we can use in our video. Here also we have many choices such as common character. This includes characters such as little girl, little boy, grandpa, witch, vampire, fashion woman and many more options for these characters. We also have business character, professional characters and animal characters as well. We can choose any of these to make our animated video. Here we have prompts that we can use in our video. We have different categories of prompts as well, such as images, shapes, frames, sound prop and many more. Here we have sound which we can use in our video. We can play to have a preview and then add them to our video by clicking on add. We can also record our own voiceover or can also upload a audio file or can also turn text into audio by using AI synthesis feature. Now I will try to create a video using these options. Here we have our template. Let's make changes to it. Let's change this text to new application launch and now from here editors panel we can make changes to it such as change font size, change text color, can also select a word art for text and can also do more formatting such as making text bold, italic. We can also set alignment. We have predefined choices to choose from. We can also set opacity for text. We can also set line spacing or word spacing from here. We can also give shadow to our text from here. We can also set text animation from here. Can choose stay animation effect and can also choose in and out animation for text. We can also delete any unwanted element from our video just like this. Let's add character to our video and for that click on character and from here select one character. Let's select one from business character. We can also select character actions from here as well or change it later. We can change actions by clicking on this. Can flip character if required. We can set path animation for a character. We can delete it or can also lock it. Here we have option to replace character. Just click on replace or we can choose any other character to replace it. We can do more changes from here editors panel such as set alignment, change opacity, change actions, set background color for character or make it transparent. We can also give shadow to character or can also set animation effect for characters same as what we did for text. Here at top we have many more options such as undo, redo. We can also bring elements to top, bottom, up or down from here. We can turn on grid from here. We can also snap alignment from here and here we have format painter option. Here we have option to insert music to our video. From here we can change video background settings and here we have AI smart drawing option. And from here we can add text cloud to our video. We can also import PPT from here or can also change video resolution from here. This will change canvas scale for current video. Now let's add voice to our video and we can do it from clicking on sound and then clicking on record or can also do it directly by clicking on this record button. From here we can upload music, record directly using our system mic or can also use Doratoon AI Smart Synthesis feature, and we will use this to turn our text into voice. Click on this and now select if you want to add AI Smart Dubbing piece, and from here we have option to add AI Smart Dubbing piece to current page or full video. Let's select current page. Now from here we can change voice from here, which can be of male, female or child. I will select max for my video. We can also change audio speed from here. For first, let's add text which we want to add. Adding hi, we are launching a new application this week. We can preview audio from here by clicking on this and then click on play. Once we are set, we can click on add to video to add it to our video. We can give it a name of up to 12 character and then click on OK. Our audio gets added now. We can also increase or decrease our scene length from here if required. We can set start or end point for an element by just selecting an element and then dragging its start and end point. Let's add a text cloud to our video, such as giving an hint about application type. Click on text cloud and now from here we can enter text which we want. Let's change first text to happy and then second to world. We can also change text color from here and font type. We can also add more text if you want to. After that we can select a shape. Here we have different categories of shapes available. Let's select gift emoji and now from here we can select style. We can set transparency, word count, word spacing, background color or make it transparent by turning this toggle on. After that click on image preview and then click on export to add it to video. Now we can change its position or size like this and can also set animation as well. Now once we are done with first scene, let's have a preview for this.
Hi, we are launching a new application this week.
Now once we are done with this, we can add more scenes to our video and make edits to it. After we are done with editing, we can add subtitle to our video as well. Just click on add subtitle and now from here click on add subtitle, or can also use smart subtitle feature that will convert audio to text to add subtitle to our video. We can set formatting for subtitle from here. Once done, click on save and then click on back to canvas. We can also preview our complete video by clicking on preview or export it by clicking on export. Let's export our video and for that click on export. Now from here we can set cover for our video. Turn this toggle on to use the same cover for MP4 video on local computer. We can also add custom image for video cover as well. We can give it a name, add tags and description for video. We can set watermark to default, or we can also download it without watermark, or can also upload our own logo watermark. Select your logo to add it as watermark and after that we can place it wherever we want to. We can also choose video resolution from here, which can be 480p, 720p or 1080p. After that click on OK and in some time our video will start rendering and will be available to download. Once done, we can preview it from here. We can also share it with others by clicking on share and then just share this link with anyone with whom you want to share your video. Let's download it and for that click on download button. It starts downloading and once done, we can have a preview for the same from here.
Hi, we are launching a new application this week. More details coming soon on launch.
See, this is how easily you can also make animated videos for yourself using Doratoon, which is the best free animated video maker. If you want to try, check the link in description and pinned comment. Doratoon is available for free for a limited time, so get its membership as soon as possible and enjoy making animated videos for free. This is what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video thumbs up and do share your views in comments. Do consider subscribing to WM Originals for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.